Hello, hello. This is a short video about a metta meditation. It's a very special ancient practice that you can do. It's very easy to do. It only takes a minute, two, maybe five. And it comes from the Buddhist tradition. So metta meditation is really the practice of loving kindness. And the idea is to generate those kind of states of mind or emotions like love, compassion, kindness towards others, and to target those negative emotions such as anger, resentment, hatred, ill will of any kind, and weaken them, decrease them by promoting their opposites. All right? And the idea is that when we feel or when we promote this kind of love, compassion, kindness within us, we are feeling more happy, we're feeling more well-being, more internal peace, and so on. And it's not only the Buddhist tradition, you can see that more and more in Western modern science research that shows that being kind towards others, caring about others, helping others, creates a much deeper sense of satisfaction, contentment, and just overall happiness within us than just getting things that we want, that we need, that we desire. So this is a very simple, basic template that I will offer you. You can, of course, recreate your own template or find other templates online, so whatever works for you. So make sure first that you find a comfortable seated position, one that doesn't cause you any discomfort or pain or anything like that. And then just take another moment to make sure there's no anger or stress or hatred in your mind, because if there is, maybe come back to it a little bit later with a more calm quality in your mind. Okay? So, if you're ready for it, close your eyes. And if it's not too difficult, if it is, you can skip that part. If it's not too difficult, take a moment and wish well to yourself. So you can do something like that. You can say something like that to yourself mentally or out loud if you prefer. May I be free from anger. May I be free from hatred. May I be free from ill will and animosity. May I be free of all negativity, all defilement. And then you can say to yourself, may I develop love, compassion, kindness, goodwill, peace and harmony within me. May I be happy, truly happy. And then the next step is directing this kind of intention towards someone which is very dear to you, very dear to your heart. It doesn't cause any negative emotions whatsoever. It could be not necessarily a person, it could be any other being. So take a moment and imagine that someone. Bring him into your heart and wish them to be happy. You can say something like this to yourself mentally if you want. May he or she be free from all pain, suffering. May he or she enjoy peace, harmony, and love. May he or she be happy, truly happy. And then you can take a moment and imagine that someone being happy, really happy. What would that someone feel like, be like, look like when they're really, really happy? Let them be happy in your mind, really happy. And then the last stage is to extend those intentions as broad as we can to all living beings. So you can say something like that to yourself. May all beings be free from suffering, from pain, from hardship. May all beings enjoy peace, harmony, and love. And may all beings be happy, truly, truly happy. So this is the practice of metta meditation. You can change the words, you can change the text, you can do a different template. Explore this online if this is of interest to you. If you continue doing this over time, I guarantee you start feeling changes in the way you engage with other people, in the way you feel inside while you're engaging with other people. So highly recommend it. Only takes a minute or two, maybe 5 maximum. Wishing you a wonderful rest of the day, or rest of the week, or rest of the year. Thank you very much. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha